Today, we have an interesting equation on the board. 0 raised to the power of x minus 2 equals to 0. Is there any solution for this equation? Let us check. If we use the fact that 0 raised to the power of anything will give us 0. Recall, if you have 0 raised to the power of 0, this will give you undefined. And that is where the problem lies. What does this imply? This implies that since the exponent of 0 at the left-hand side of the equation is x minus 2, x minus 2 must not be equals to 0. Are you following? So x can be any value that is greater than 2. Are you getting it? It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, and so on. Now, what if the exponent of 0 is negative? For example, let's say x is minus 3. Let's say, yes, x is minus 3. If you replace minus 3 here, you're going to obtain 0 raised to the power of negative 5. What would be our solution? Is there any solution for that? If x is negative, if you have 0 raised to the power of minus 1, what will it become? That will be 1 over 0. 1 over 0 will give you undefined. You understand? That is also undefined. So if the exponent of 0 at the left-hand side is negative, the result will still be undefined. Are you getting it? So the solution is true for all the values of x that is greater than 2. Do you understand? Okay, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the class.